CCTV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa pen Pynïap ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta Kynnoh ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Ki Pulit Khlaw jangka Sonapur Forest Range jangka Assam kila kem ya uba Salvation Nongrum supply nem kerta uba Nagashnong Umlakhar Riboy District bat kila Kynnoh ba uni Rangbah udon kti hakaban Pynïap ya Hati Khlaw hakathan Sonapur. Karkum ka jingtip bala yo lum lo ong ba uni Rangbah ula syak kem hakastep perngam jangka laitrik ujliu. Ki bah yeng kila penpaw ya ka jing lengo ya kini ka jing pharap ki Pulit Assam bat kila ong ba udai ubriu uba judan bet Hagashnong nambar ba ukamai kali. Kibah yeng kila Kynnoh baki Pulit ke Assam kila bom kila syok yu bat haduk mentaru udang don hakti jangki Pulit ke Assam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.